Hi guys, today I'll be showing you how to change the back of your iPhone 4 or 4S. First, what you're going to need is, you're going to be needing, of course, your iPhone. You're going to need a replacement back. Colors are optional, you can get whatever. And then a screwdriver. So first what you're going to do is you're going to start by taking out the screws, which are located on the bottom. One there and one there. So yeah, just take those out, and the screwdriver should be magnetic, so hold on to the screws for you. Next, you get two hands and you put your thumbs right about here, right about there, and you're just gonna just slide up, pretty much. Just push down and slide up, and then you can just pop it off from there. Then here, this is pretty much off, so you can just put that wherever. Put that back there. Next, you grab your new back, and I'd probably put the phone down, face down on that, and I'd get two hands, and then you just have to line up these two like brackets right here with this part of the phone, like right there and there, because that's where the screws are, and that's how it stays secure. So you just line that up, kind of just in reverse, and then you're just gonna push down and slide back down until it's you can kind of look at the bottom, like at the top and the bottom, to make sure it's like even with each other. So next, what you're gonna do, just put the screws back in. Just like that. And there you go, you got your iPhone. Thanks for watching, and make sure to check out some of my other videos about iPhone help and just anything, pretty much. In my next video, I'll be showing you guys how to do this to your phone. So make sure to check that out. It's pretty cool. Green LED, pretty cool. So definitely check that video out. And so, yep, thanks for watching.